Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you what I have been using for last 2 weeks for my skin. And as you know, I like to try different products and I'm always looking for something new. I like to try different things and find out what's gonna work and how it's working. So today I will introduce you to my new skincare. It's a Bio-N skincare. I got it from Go Sally Beauty on Amazon. And this is water and this is a cream. It goes well for normal skin, for oily skin or severe dry skin, for all kind of skin, which is amazing if it's working for dry skin, and also it can work for oily skin. And finding out it's really cool. And I will tell you that it really works this way, just in a little bit. My face has combination of different skins. Some parts is very oily, some parts is super dry, and when I am applying this cream it feels really comfortable all over. And also on my hand skin it's very dry and it's always having cracks and it's really bad. And sometimes when I have pain in my hands because of dry skin, I would apply this cream and immediately I will feel relief. So it works for all of it, and I'm really excited because it's anti-aging. And just in a second I'm gonna show you how I'm using it and just will talk a little bit more about this. Now I'm gonna show you how I'm using it. You push twice, or whatever it will come, on a cotton ball or cotton pad and just cleanse it. I do it every night and every morning after I cleanse my skin with a cleanser. In the morning it's very refreshing when I use this water, and at night I love to clean up my skin because sometimes we have leftover little bit of makeup, so it's very nice to clean up it one more time with this water. My skin feels very nice and soft every time I use this water. Also I have a cream. So it's a Bio-N Barrier Cream. Now I'm gonna show you how I'm using this. You just need to put just a little bit of this cream. And so I'm putting like little dots on my face and then I'm spreading it out. After this cream, my skin feels very soft. I really love it. This is so soothing for sensitive skin, and it just gives me right away relief of my dryness in my hands. As soon as you put on the skin, as you see, it's turned back into water, but I do like this feeling of moisture and nutrition in my skin. So I really like those products, and also what I like, they are pretty affordable. Like I said, I found them on Amazon. So Bio Water, and price is $18.90, and I think this bottle is pretty big. I'm pretty sure it will last for a whole year. And here is that Bio-N cream, and it is $16.90. And this cream I really love to use for my skin, my face skin, for my neck, and I do use it for my hands a little bit. So I think this product is very affordable and I really like to use them. If you have any questions, or maybe if you're using them and you have some other comments, please feel free to comment down below. And also I will leave the link where you can purchase these products if you're interested. And make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all the reviews I do on the new products. And see you soon in my next video.